You've written the same follow-up message 40 times this month, swapping in a name here, a company there. Copy, paste, edit, repeat. There's a better way. Vyroq's message templates let you build it once and reuse it everywhere. Open message templates and hit new template. Pick your channel: email, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram, Telegram, or Messenger, and the form adapts instantly to match. For email, fill in the subject, then write your HTML body and text body is, or click upload.html file to drop in a design you already have. For every other channel, it's one clean message body field ready for your copy. Now make it personal at scale. Type insert variable or drop in tokens like first name and company directly in the body. Vyroq swaps them per recipient automatically. So, hi there becomes hi Sarah for every single send. Attach a file under attachments or pull one straight from your library with zero re-uploading. Save it, and your template shows up instantly in the list, filterable by channel, ready whenever a campaign needs it. One template, personalized 1,000 times over. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.